Hi buddies! Kamusta? This is Dessa and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, ituturo ko naman yung count formulas. So meron siyang count, count A, count blanks, count if, and count ifs. So basically, ang count formula, kinoconsider niya lang yung number of cells na by value. Alright, so hindi niya ina-add yung mismong value ng cell mo but only yung number of cells na may laman. Right. So let's start with the count formula. Count, open parenthesis, highlight yung range. There you go. So dito sa first natin na row, 5 yung total niya since mayroon tayong 5 cells na may value. Whereas dito sa second row, meron lang siyang 4 cells na may value. Since yung isa is may text data, which is A. So 4 lang yung na-count niya. Alright? So what if you wanted to use count sa text data? So pwede naman yon. So you can use count A and then highlight. Alright. So in this table, you have 13 students. Okay? So moving on to count blanks. Count blanks naman, kino-consider niya lang yung cell na blank or walang laman. So let's try this one. Count blank. Highlight. Ayan. So, sa range natin dito, may isa na walang grade. So, yun yung na-read niya, 1. At dito naman, dalawa sila. Alright? Alright. So, moving on to CountIf formula. CountIf naman ay ginagamit natin if may gusto tayong condition sa ating ina-add or sa ating data. So, let's try for this one. Meron tayong average grade. So, gusto natin ma-identify ilan kayang students ang may grade na equal or higher than 90. So, we will use CountIf formula. So, CountIf, itong range mo, next is your criteria, high, greater than, or equal to 90. There you go. And ito naman na formula is less than. So, edit lang natin to. There you go. So, 10. So, 3 plus 10, you have 13 students. So, tama naman siya. And you can also double check with your data here. So, ginawan ko na siya ng, nag-increase na ako ng decimal niya since ito kasi is, pwede siyang makonsider as 90 based dun sa decimal kung na-round off siya. But, sa formula natin, hindi siya ma-read. So, to avoid confusion kung tama ba yung na-read na data, you can double check and increase the decimal to make sure. Alright? So, using the CountIf, isa lang yung condition niya. So, what if marami kang conditions na gustong gamitin? So, let's move on to CountIfs. CountIfs, gagamitin natin yan if marami kang criteria. So, for example, this one, I have a groups here, products sold by the students, and the quantity. Alright? So, kakount lang natin yung ilan kaya yung qualified products with this quota or criteria na more than 15 yung naging sales nila. So, equal sign, CountIfs. Highlight mo yung first criteria, the second criteria, this one, and the second criteria. Oops. Alright. Ayan. Yan yung naging result niya. So, let's check. Chocolate cookie, ilan kaya yung may equal or more than 15? So, 1 and 2. So, 2. Macaroons, 1 lang. And fortune cookie, meron siyang tatlong naka-consider ng criteria. So, let's try this another criteria. Okay, so edit natin yan. So, CountIfs, yung first criteria mo, and then your second, and the criteria. Alright. So, sa chocolate cookie, may dalawang less than 15. Ito siya, 1 and 2. Macaroons, less than 15, 1, 2, and 3. And fortune cookie, 1 lang ang less than 15. So, I hope nakatulong itong formulas na to and sana ma-apply nyo sa paggamit nyo ng Excel soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!